Hello, Jen. Look what pulled up in our dealership today. 2019 4Runner TRD Off Road Premium. Super white, black accents. Everything you're looking for in a 4Runner. All-weather floor mats, black leather seats, ventilation in the back, charging stations in the back, sunroof. It is one heck of a beautiful 4Runner, Jen. Power seats, lumbar seating, like I said, black leather, heated seats. Only 1 mile. AM, FM, CD, satellite, Bluetooth. Charging stations. I do believe it's the perfect Christmas gift for yourself. 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road Premium, white with black interior. Give me a call, Jen, if you're interested. Tim Branson, Hendrick Toyota, Merriam, Kansas, 913-384-7728. Thanks, Jen.